What's up guys, it's Captain Brando, and today I'm going to show you how to get your crypto over to your bank account in 5 to 10 minutes. Transferring sometimes takes a second, and there are fees. We have to always remember that. And when you convert your crypto and try to get it back from wallet to wallet and back to your bank, you're going to have fees there. But let me show you guys how I do crypto USD bank account, in 10 minutes. Let's try. Let's go. All right, well, first off, guys, I am not a financial advisor. This is never financial advice. I'm only here for entertainment purposes only, for all of you to enjoy, and you'll always make your own decisions and do your own research. And today, we're gonna learn how to get your crypto to your bank in around 10 minutes. It takes a couple things to do it. So Metamask, I use Metamask, Crypto.com, and Cashapp. Because Cashapp, you can deposit instantly to your bank account, and then the exchange is Crypto.com, and the BNB, or where I'm holding my coins from my wallet, is Metamask. So in the play to earn space, we all have coins, and we always try to figure out how to get it to your bank. This is the fastest way that I have figured it out. And there's many, many ways to do it, guys. You can use Coinbase and any of your other wallets that are out there, your exchanges that allow you to deposit to your bank. So this is one way. And if you don't have Crypto.com or Cashapp and you're looking to get those, click the link below, sign up. It only supports the channel, and you guys get 25 bucks or $5 back, something like that. So, well, let's jump into it and check it out. So you can do this from a computer or from your phone. We're gonna use both here. And I start with Crypto.com because that's where I'm transferring. So we need the wallet ID for how to transfer. You can transfer BNB or USDT. It's awesome. I'm going to show you how to do BNB, and then if you want to do Tether, the same, but you have to set up your wallets properly. Remember that. Okay, guys? If you're going to switch coins when you transfer, you've got to make sure you have the right wallet address. So let's jump into it. I am here on my Crypto.com, and we're going to use BNB as our token to do this. So I'm going to click Binance Coin, click on the wallet, hit transfer, deposit, and then make sure you're clicking the BSC network. That's the Binance Smart Chain Network. And this is our wallet ID for Crypto.com. We're gonna copy that. And now I'm gonna do this from a computer, but you could do it from a phone, from Metamask itself. You know what? Let's see, guys. Metamask. We're gonna see if we can do it completely from our phone. I haven't done it this way, but I believe it is possible. So I need to change my account to where my BNB is at and change to, I don't have the Binance network set up on my phone. So if you do, you can most likely do it that way too, but we're gonna do the computer and jump on that right now. And okay, we are here on Poocoin. You don't need to be on Poocoin. We're just looking at the price of BNB, Binance's coin right now. And what we're gonna do is send $100. So we know how much in fees by the time it gets to my bank account. So you're gonna open MetaMask, and you can see I have BNB here. You click send, and then in that space with your wallet, you will paste your Crypto.com wallet ID there. Again, make sure you're on the BSC network if your MetaMask is on the BSC network. If you're on the Ethereum network, then make sure you're using an Ethereum wallet. Okay, you just have to verify you're on the same blockchain. Also, always do a test first. You want to make sure that you can transfer properly before sending everything, because let me tell you guys, I've lost by not doing that. So make sure you always do a test, and there's always fees. So I would suggest trying 20 bucks, maybe 30 bucks for your first time. Make sure it all works. We're gonna do 100 right now. I already have done this, so my wallet is saved right here. Boop. That is my crypto.com wallet, and we're gonna send 1.18 BNB. It's right at $100, right? So now we click next, and then there's gonna be gas fees, which is really low, and confirm. Now it's gonna send. This part can take up to 5 to 10 minutes, maybe longer. I've seen it go up to 3 hours. So from here, we wait. We'll be right back. All right, well, I found out in the end that you cannot transfer from crypto.com to your Cash App without having 0.003 Bitcoin, which is $300, close to it. So do know that you can't transfer to do this instant bank account transfer. You have to be able to have $300 to do it. So I had to go back through and send more BNB to my crypto.com so I can convert it. So what we did here, and also it took about 3 or 4 hours to do and put me into the night. So now it's the next day, and we're gonna see right here, when you send the BNB to crypto.com, from there, we need to convert it to Bitcoin, because that's what Cash App takes. So right here you can see I am selling my BNB for BTC. Once that's done, we're gonna put a code in here, and then bam, sold, ready to go. Now the BNB is in Bitcoin. We're gonna go over to Bitcoin, click on the bottom here, and then we're gonna hit transfer. But we're gonna transfer to our Cash App. And if you guys don't have Cash App, click the link below, download Cash App. We both get $5 out of it. So please support the channel, that would be awesome. And right here you can see I have already added Cash App to my wallet, but I'm gonna show you guys real quick. If you get in the Cash App and you hit right here on the right where the B is, that is your wallet ID. You wanna copy that. Go back to crypto.com, hit the plus sign at the top for your withdrawal. You're gonna add a wallet address and paste that Bitcoin address right there. And then you can name it whatever you want. I've already done this, so I'm not gonna duplicate it. I'm just showing you that's how you paste your wallet ID into crypto.com. And now we hit Withdraw BTC, and I'm gonna hit max here. I'm gonna try to level it out at $300, guys, so we can see the transfer fee, what it costs in the end. And we're gonna try to see here, right at $300, perfect. Perfect, okay, now we hit withdraw, confirm, and then the authenticator is going to come up once you enter your code here. Here it is. You have to have the authenticator in order to transfer out of crypto.com, so you will have to download that and then use your code there, type it in, yada 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 yada, and continue. And now wham, the transfer has been sent. So now we wait. This is another moment when we don't know how long it's going to take. But if you want to check if it's complete or pending, if you click down below where it says BTC wallet, that will come up and show you your transfer. All right, it took about 10 minutes to get over to Cash App. You can see right here, this is Cash App. If you guys do not have Cash App, please click the link below. And right here, if you click sell, you can go ahead and just sell your Bitcoin, and there is a fee, $4.82. And you can already see we lost $25 transferring from Cash App, or from crypto to Cash App. So that is one fee, and then to sell it was another $5. So I already had money in here, but we're going to see what it takes to transfer out the 300, actually the 275 we're gonna get to. I typed 300 first, sorry. 275, here we go, 270 because that other $5, and then it's another $4 fee to do an instant deposit. So totaling, out of the $300 that we spent, guys, fees added up to about $35. So that would be about, what, 12% of the 300 was lost in transferring. But 12% to me is not super crazy, considering that you were able to get your crypto to your bank account pretty quickly. And I hope this video helped you all out with trying to get crypto back to your bank, because I know it took a while for me to figure it out. And there are many other ways to do this. This is just one of them. And I use Crypto.com, which if you need Crypto.com, click the link below. And same with Cashapp, guys. If you're going to jump into Cashapp, click the link below. We both get hooked up with $5 and it helps support the channel. And I appreciate all of you for checking this video. Please give me a subscribe. Give me a thumbs up, say what's up to me, Captain Brando, leave a comment, because I'm going to get out of your hair, guys. Peace, love, and harmony. Peace out.